Today, I received from customer that her Infinix Smart 8 Pro that have no signal. When I dial *#06 #, the phone has no IMEI. Then I check on settings if the phone there's a baseband. Customer said, have already tried a program by other technician but the issue still the same. As you can see, baseband version is also unknown. We need to proceed on hardware. Phone must be fixed by replacing RFIC. Now we need to cut the metal shield of the phone motherboard. Put some flux. We need to replace this RFIC by new one, or if you have a scrap motherboard that is the same RFIC. Now clean the PCB board. Now put new RFIC. And this is the old one. turn on the phone. Now dial *#06# if phone have Imei. Finally, the phone Imei appeared now. And now we go to settings if baseband also repaired. As you can see, baseband successfully repaired. Next, I will put a working SIM card. If network will appear. You can see the phone have a signal or network also. Please like and subscribe to my channel.